You've seen those Raspberry Pi travel router videos. They're cool, sure, but also way more work than anyone wants on a trip. But wanna know a secret? You probably already have a device that can be used as a travel router. And in 2 minutes, I'll show you how to turn it into a VPN-protected Wi-Fi bubble that your phone, tablet, switch, basically everything can use on the go. And one tiny Windows setting decides if it works or fails. Miss it, and your secure hotspot is completely fake. So let's make sure we do this right. Here's the move. We're gonna turn one of your devices into a secure travel router. It connects to the hotel Wi-Fi once, secures everything behind a VPN, and then rebroadcasts the connection to all of your other devices. Hey everybody, and welcome back to Safety Detectives, where we test security tools and show you how to actually use them effectively. So if you want more privacy hacks and tutorials just like this, then be sure to hit subscribe. All right, let's start with why this matters in the first place. Hotel Wi-Fi is a mess, to say the least. It's shared with strangers, it's often badly configured, and you have no idea who's watching traffic or running a fake network with a similar name. And then there's device limits. You end up connecting your phone, laptop, tablet, and console one by one, and it's really annoying. And buying a dedicated travel router costs money, takes up space, and becomes one more thing that you have to charge and carry with you. So instead, we're gonna use a device that you already have. We're gonna turn your laptop into a router. The hotel sees just one device, and everything else connects through your laptop secured by the VPN to the hotel Wi-Fi. And in a minute, I'll show you the one setting that makes the VPN sharing actually work. Okay, but this is the part that makes the whole video worth it. Before we begin, let's refresh your memory. This is a Windows-only setup, and we're using private internet access VPN because it plays nicely with adapter sharing. So if something looks slightly different on your machine, don't panic, the flow is what matters the most here. Step 1 is to connect your Windows laptop to the hotel or public Wi-Fi. First, connect your Windows laptop to the hotel or public Wi-Fi like you normally would. If a sign-in pops up, complete it now, and this is really important. Until you click the Accept or Connect button, the Wi-Fi isn't fully online, even if Windows says that you're connected. Before moving on, make sure you can actually browse the web. Open a couple of sites and confirm that they load normally. If you skip the step, the VPN won't connect properly, and the hotspot won't have internet to share. So once your laptop is fully online, just leave it connected. We're not touching the Wi-Fi again after this. Step 2 is to open PIA and connect to a VPN server. Now open private internet access on your laptop and connect to a VPN server. For travel, pick a server that's close to your physical location or your home country. That usually gives you the best balance of speed and reliability. Once PIA says you're connected, all traffic on your laptop is now fully encrypted. One quick thing to know, PIA creates a virtual network adapter in Windows, and that adapter is what we're going to share in the next steps. So if later you don't see a PIA adapter when you open network connections, go into PIA setting, switch the protocol to OpenVPN, reconnect, and check again. Once PIA is connected and stable, don't disconnect it. Leave it running and move on to the next step. Step 3 is to turn on mobile hotspot in Windows. Now for the fun part, we're gonna make your laptop broadcast its own Wi-Fi. Go into settings, then network and internet, and click mobile hotspot. Turn mobile hotspot on. Click edit and set this up properly. Give it a name that you'll recognize later, set a strong password, and if you see a network band option, choose 2.4 gigahertz. And that last part really matters. Some phones, consoles, and older devices won't even see a 5 gigahertz hotspot. So at this point, your laptop is broadcasting Wi-Fi, but here's the key thing to understand. Right now, Windows doesn't care about the VPN. By default, it will share whatever internet connection it feels like. And that's why this next step exists and is really important. Leave the hotspot turned on and don't connect any devices yet. We need to fix the routing first. Step 4 is the secret step that makes everything route through the VPN. This is the most important step in the entire setup. By default, Windows will happily share the hotel Wi-Fi directly, even if your VPN is connected. So if you stop here, your hotspot can work, but your traffic might completely bypass the VPN, which defeats the whole point of all of this. So we're gonna force Windows to share the VPN connection itself. Start by pressing the Windows and R key and type in ncpa.cpl and hit enter. And this opens the network connections panel. You should see a few adapters in here, and you're looking for two specific ones. First, the PIA VPN adapter. It might be called something like PIA WireGuard, PIA OpenVPN, or look like a TAP or WinTUN adapter. Second is the mobile hotspot adapter. This usually shows up as a local area connection with an asterisk and a number. Right-click the PIA adapter and click Properties. Go to the Sharing tab, check the box that says Allow other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection. Now look at the drop-down underneath. Select the adapter that matches your mobile hotspot, usually that local area connection with the asterisk. Then click OK. What you just told Windows is simple. All traffic coming from my hotspot must go through the VPN first. And if you skip this step, your hotspot may still work, but it's not guaranteed to be encrypted. And this is the difference between a real travel router and a fake one. Step 5 is to connect your phone or tablet and verify that it worked. Now, the easy part. Grab your phone, tablet, or any other device and connect it to the Wi-Fi network that your laptop just created. Use the same password that you set earlier and make sure that the device connects normally. Once it's connected, open a browser on that device and search for "What is my IP?" or visit any IP checker site. And this is the proof moment. If everything is set up correctly, the location you see should match the VPN server that you chose in PIA, not the hotel or airport that you're actually in. And that means the device is not touching the hotel network directly. All of its traffic is going through your laptop, through the VPN, and out to the internet securely. So at this point, you can connect as many devices as you want. Phones, tablets, laptops, consoles, as long as they're connected to your laptop's Wi-Fi, they're covered. If your devices connect but have no internet, make sure the mobile hotspot is on before you open network connections. In PIA settings, enable Allow LAN traffic. Toggle the hotspot off and on once. Now, this is the moment it clicks. Your laptop is now the gatekeeper. It connects to the hotel Wi-Fi once, it runs the VPN, and every device that you connect to it rides through the same encrypted tunnel. Your phone, your tablet, your Switch, your spouse's laptop, they don't see the hotel network at all, they only see your laptop. One login, one VPN, and everything is protected. And that's the travel router without buying a travel router and carrying it with you. Now, if you really want hardware, there is another option. You can install a VPN directly onto a compatible home router like certain Asus models and travel with that. It does work, it's solid, and it's a good long-term setup. And if you want to see how that's done, we've actually got a full step-by-step guide on the channel that you can check out here. So here's what you just did. You saved money by not buying extra hardware. You secured all of your devices at once with a single VPN connection, and you bypassed those annoying hotel device limits without breaking any rules, all with the laptop that you already had in your backpack. We used private internet access here because it works cleanly with Windows adapter sharing and makes this setup pretty painless. But if you want to try it for yourself, grab the deal using the link down in the description. And of course, if you want more practical, no fluff security tips just like this, then subscribe to Safety Detectives because we'll keep testing the tools so you don't have to. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.